Hey, peace and blessings. This is Ben G, Mr. R&B. Woo! Happy Friday. Woo! This is Columbus Day weekend. I have the day off, but I still, of course, have work to do. Riding on the back end of East Orange. Woo! I'm over here on North Arlington Avenue, on the other side of the Parkway. Very nice. Very few cars. How's your Friday? I took some photos in front of houses and stores that had the whole, Halloween outfits. More Cory Booker. This is the East Orange, as I said, so a lot of folks out here getting ready for November 3rd. I still have my ballot. Gotta fill it out. And we have a special place to put our ballot in near the post office so that we are sure it will be counted. Make sure you do the same. They have specialized ballot boxes. Woo! Listen to Parliament Funkadelic. We got the funk.